Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness on INFINIX Zero X Pro. Let's begin! The very first step to troubleshoot any kind of issue is to basically expand your control panel, and then you want to make sure that your adaptive brightness is on or off. It really depends on what you're aiming for. If you want to disable this, you can just press it once and now your brightness will stay the same. Or if you do want adaptive brightness, you can press it again. But as you can see, this will really bump up the brightness level. However, if you're not seeing this button, you can always click the pencil icon. And well, I will remove it for now. So I will remove it for showing you. But you can scroll down into this green area. You want to locate your adaptive brightness and you can add it to your icons here. However, if you don't want to add any more new things here, you can always go to the settings directly. In the settings to display and brightness, and here we have adaptive brightness, and then enabling it here will do basically exactly the same thing. And whenever you actually use the bar on the top, you can always see the little A button, and it's also for automatic. But I will keep it disabled because I do want you to see some stuff on my screen. Lastly, we can always check if we have eye-care enabled. It will turn our screen orange. It won't necessarily improve our brightness, but you may mistaken it for auto brightness problem when it's really have nothing to do with brightness whatsoever. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.